Hey there, welcome back to our channel, the place where we demystify the world of technology. Today we are diving into the basics of CSS, JavaScript, and HTML using a powerful tool, JSFiddle. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our tech-packed tutorials. Now let's get started. Alright, first thing first, open up your browser and head to jsfiddle.net. This is the playground where we will be writing and testing our code in real time. It's a fantastic platform for beginners to experiment with web development, and it is hassle free. There's no need of setting up a complex environment. Now, let's create our first fiddle. You will see there are three panes here: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is where the magic happens. Now, starting with the HTML pane, this is where we define the structure of our web page. You can add your HTML code here. This includes a div, paragraph, or any other HTML element. This you can think of as a skeleton of your web page. Now here I am going to add my HTML code, which I have already added. Okay, now next up is the CSS pane. This is where you can style your web page. You can change colors, fonts, and layout. You can try adding a simple style like changing the background color of your HTML body to get a feel of it. Now here I am going to add my CSS code, which I have already created for the demonstration purpose. Finally, the JavaScript pane. This is where you add functionality to your web page. Whether you want to create a button that changes the text or animate an element, this is the place where you can write the JavaScript code. Now that you have written your code, just hit on that run button and see the magic happening in the result pane. It's like a mini preview of your web page. Pretty cool, right? And there you go. This is a quick dive into JSFiddle. This is your go-to playground for learning and experimenting with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Practice makes man perfect. So don't hesitate to try out new things and build your own projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy coding. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. Keep coding, keep testing, and I'll catch you in the next one.